Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. If this is your first time of coming, you're welcome, and do consider subscribing on your way out. Okay, in today's video I'll be making soup prep, so stay tuned. Okay, here I have my spinach. This is my egusi. I will blend it. This is my ogbono. I'm gonna blend it. This is my crayfish. I'll blend it. So here I have my salt. This is my okra. I've already cut it. Okay, this is my stockfish. This is cow meat, but this part is the jaw side. Okay, this is cow meat. This is my palm nut cream. So this is the fish that I'll be using. This is a cow skin. Look at how it is. This is cow foot. Here I have my red oil. I have my chicken. I have my what is it called? My cubes. And I have this seasoning. So as you can see, I've cut all the meats, even the fish. So I'll start cooking it, all of them. First of all, put my meat. Followed my cow skin. Then I'll put the stock fish. There's a cow foot. And then chicken. So I'll be putting these cubes, the jumbo cubes, and star cube. I'll be putting 3. So I'll be putting salt. So I'm gonna season it with small season that I have here. This is black pepper. Then I'll be adding a little dry pepper. So I'll be adding water. So I will allow this to cook for about 30 minutes. Complete 30 minutes, okay? So the meat has been cooking for over 30 minutes. So it's ready. I'll be sharing this meat into 3 parts. Okay, this part of meat, I will be using it to make banga soup, which is palm nut soup. So right now I'll be scooping it out, and I'll add warm water. I will allow it to settle before I'll start cooking it. Oh, wait. So right now I'll be pouring the palm cream inside the pot, and I'll try to avoid the downside, those black particles. I don't like it. I don't want it in my soup. So I will cover it to cook for 20 minutes. So in here I have another pot of meat. So I'll go ahead and pour my red oil, and I'm gonna cover it to cook for 15 minutes before I'll start putting my ogbono. So as you can see, I am putting my ogbono. So I will stir it so that the ogbono will not stick together. So I'll be putting some water because the ogbono is drying already. So right now I'll be putting my seasoning and then salt. So I'll go ahead and pour my okra. So right now I am putting the crayfish, and I'm gonna stir it very well. So after stirring it, I'll be putting the fish, and I'll cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. Then I'll put my spinach. So the ogbono soup is ready. Okay, in here I have my pot of ofaku soup in my dialect, or you can call it banga soup or palm nut soup. So I'll be putting my crayfish, then I'm gonna put other ingredients, and I will stir it very well. So I will go ahead and put the fish and I'll cover the pot to cook for 10 minutes. So I will go ahead and put my spinach. So here I have another pot. I'll be pouring red oil. Okay, this is my already blended egusi. I'll go ahead and put a warm water and I will stir it, and I'll be putting it in my pot little by little. So I'll be putting crayfish and I'll give it a nice stir. So at this point, I'll go ahead and put all the fish and I'll cover the pot to cook for about 10 minutes. So right now I'm putting my seasoning and then salt, and finally I'm gonna put my black pepper. Wow, so all my soups are ready. I will go ahead and dish them and put inside my freezer. So that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. Thank you so much and God bless. See you next time in my next video. Bye for now.